Hey guys!
Hey guys! So, Leia here. So this video is gonna make DIY phone case. Yeah, it's really new, right? So, yeah guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own phone case out of glue stick. And it's really not that expensive because you can only buy glue stick for only 3 pesos, or I don't know in the other stores, but I only buy glue sticks for 3 pesos. So guys, let's do it.
These are the things that we will use: glue sticks, glue gun, glitters, nail polish for designs, scotch tape, cutter, and since I don't have a baking paper, so I used plastic that size 3 by 10 that really fits in my phone and mostly the phone. So first, need to prepare the plastic, the phone, the scotch tape. Seal the phone with a plastic. Since it's done, so let's start putting the hot glue stick on the phone. After to cover the phone with the hot glue, let it dry. So we will gonna start to design our phone case. I use nail polish to cover the phone and put some glitters on it.
And this. Hey guys, so we're done in our DIY. So this is the outcome. Yeah, this is it. You see? It's really nice. So yeah, you can do it on your own. So, wait. I made a lot of designs like this and also this one. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.